The purpose of the Disparity Index on TN Trader is to measure how far price has moved away from its moving average in percentage terms. On TN Trader, the Disparity Index is treated as a momentum oscillator. It compares the selected field on the chart, typically price, against a chosen moving average and shows the size of that gap as a percentage. In practical terms, it helps you see whether price is still trading close to its average level or starting to move too far away from it. A reading above zero shows that price is trading above the moving average, while a reading below zero shows that price is trading below it. The further the reading moves away from zero, the greater the separation becomes. Because the calculation is percentage-based, the indicator normalizes that spread across time and price, which makes it more useful when comparing moves in different market conditions. That makes the Disparity Index useful as a context tool for judging extension rather than just direction. If the reading becomes strongly positive, it can suggest that price has pushed well above its average and may be becoming stretched on the upside. If the reading turns deeply negative, it can suggest that price has moved well below its average and may be stretched on the downside. That does not make it a standalone decision tool, but it does help bring more structure to the way you read momentum on the chart. What gives the indicator practical value on TN Trader is that it helps quantify something traders often judge visually. Instead of simply saying price looks extended, the Disparity Index measures that distance directly against the chosen moving average. TN Trader also allows the study to be shaped through its main inputs, including the period, the field, and the moving average type, which makes it easier to adapt the indicator to the chart and market you are reviewing. In short, the purpose of the Disparity Index on TN Trader is to answer a simple question: how far has price moved from its average, and is that move still balanced or starting to look stretched? Used alongside price action and other chart tools, it helps you assess momentum with more clarity and read market extension in a more structured way.